Your new YouTube video is sitting at 10 views, and it's not because your content is bad. It's because the platform is quietly restricting your reach before your video even has a fighting chance. I dug into the back end of YouTube and found hidden studio settings that actively sabotage small channels. I'm a small creator just like you, and today we're fixing them. Let's get straight into it. Setting number 1, the instant publish mistake. The second you upload a video and hit public, you are feeding the algorithm low-resolution trash. YouTube needs time to process your video in full HD, and the algorithm needs time to scan your metadata to find your audience. If you publish instantly, YouTube has no idea who to push your video to. Always upload as unlisted or scheduled first. Give it at least 2 hours to process. When it finally goes public, it hits the ground running at maximum quality. Setting number 2 is a silent killer. The Publish to Subscriptions feed checkbox. Your instinct is to leave it checked, but if you're trying to pivot your niche or have inactive subscribers, this will kill your video. If YouTube pushes your new upload to your old subs and they don't click, your click-through rate plummets in the first hour. YouTube immediately assumes the video is bad and stops pushing it to new people. Uncheck this box if you are changing styles. Force the algorithm to find your new active audience through search and browse instead. Setting number 3, unmoderated comment sections. Those generic bot comments dropping links seconds after you post are destroying your channel's credibility. When real viewers scroll down and see a spam graveyard, they immediately click off, which tanks your retention. Go to your YouTube settings, hit the Community tab, and check Block Links. Next, add phrases like sub for sub to your blocked words list. A clean comment section keeps viewers engaged and on your video longer. Setting number 4, relying on automatic chapters. Turn them off right now in your upload defaults. They are lazy, inaccurate, and they steal views. Instead, write manual timestamps in your description using highly searchable keywords. Why? Because Google indexes manual YouTube chapters. When someone searches for a specific problem on Google, your chapter can show up as the #1 result. You aren't just fighting for YouTube views, you are stealing high-intent traffic directly from Google search. Stop leaving your channel's growth to chance and fix these back-end settings today. If this zero fluff breakdown helped you, check out my channel for more deep dives into the algorithm. I'm sharing everything I learned so we can scale our channels together. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.